These are the 5 income streams that you can generate for your agency from GoHighlevel as a platform. Now just quickly here before we start, make sure that you guys comment below which of these 5 are you currently doing right now and which of the 5 are you planning to implement just because you haven't done it yet. Now I'm also going to be leaving relevant link in the description below. Make sure you check that out for all of the 5 methods that we're going to be mentioning in this video. So we're going to start off with method number 1, which is the most obvious way that you probably know, is the SaaS mode. This is where you actually take GoHighlevel as a platform, package it as your own brand, meaning putting your own name, logo, your own color and your own theme into it, and then package it as your own products. And then after that, you would want to prospect to your local businesses such as real estate agent, plumber, or chiropractor, and then sell some of those GoHighlevel features to them on a $197, $297, or $497 plan, just like what I show you here. Now, if you know anything about our channel, we have a variety of video that's showing you how to set up all the SaaS platform from scratch and then prospect it to your local business owner. And this is what GoHighlevel is as a core offer, and you can customize it quite easily based on the dashboard that you can see here. On agency settings, SaaS configurator, and you can build your own plan, recommended plan, enable trial or not enable trial. You can set pricing, you can set what feature each pricing has, you can mark up on rebilling for SMS and email. So they're making it really easy to resell GoHighlevel as a SaaS products. So again guys, link in the description on how to set up GoHighlevel from scratch for your business as a SaaS offer. So method number 2 is affiliate. GoHighlevel have an amazing affiliate program, team, and manager. Shout out to Kelsey right here. And for those of you who don't know, an affiliate program is pretty much a referral program, meaning that if you really like what GoHighlevel is as a platform, you can refer to your friend, colleagues, or family, and you would get a 40% reoccurring affiliate commission for that, just because GoHighlevel is a subscription product. So to set this up, it's very simple guys. Just go to agency setting, come down to affiliate portal here, and you just have to read the term and condition and agree upon that, and then you will get an affiliate dashboard looking like this. And if you just scroll down here, this is your affiliate link that you can click, copy, and share to whoever that you feel like you want to share it to. And this is the statement here. You get a 40% reoccurring commission. Again, this is reoccurring, it's monthly, so it's very sweet. And on top of that, as you can see here, you get a 5% override commission from their earning, meaning that whoever that you referred, if they end up becoming an active user and referred other people down the line, you would get a 5% reoccurring commission on top of that as a second tier. Hopefully that makes sense. So this method is one of the 5 that our agency use, and we have generated over 5-figure worth of affiliate commission monthly from this program. So I highly recommend that you check it out. So method number 3 is HighLevel Career. You can actually directly work with GoHighlevel. Now if you're just starting out, running your own agency or starting your own business is a little bit too scary onto your entrepreneur career, working with HighLevel directly is a good way to start. They have an amazing working culture and they have team across the globe between United States and India. So head on to GoHighlevel.com/career. Again, link in the description, and you can see their value, their principle, their opening position, and their testimonial from their employee, and highly recommend that you will also check that out as well. It's a great way to pick up new skill and improve your resume for sure. Method number 4 is to build and position your business as a official GoHighlevel partner. The best example for this is the Marketer Toolkit, HL Pro tool, and a lot of GoHighlevel Snapshot marketplace seller out there. Now the first thing that I'm gonna say guys, this is probably not for everyone. This is great for someone that came from a web developer or a coding background, where you can develop a tool or a website that can integrate with GoHighlevel and it serves GoHighlevel user as a secondary tool. So the one analogy that I want to drive home this point is that you want to view GoHighlevel as a platform such as Apple and their iOS system. So Apple is big, they have billions and billions of users. So you want to be positioned yourself as a developer and developing good app and good tool into the Apple store. And those apps themselves act as its own enterprise and their own business, such as Google Maps, CapCut, and Tinder. And you probably know by now those apps worth a lot of money in the marketplace. So coming back to GoHighLevel here, the one example that I want to showcase is the Marketer Toolkit from Tom Bristol. He did an amazing job on position his business and his software as a GoHighLevel customizer when it comes to customize your theme, your funnel, your survey, and his app is super easy to use. I am also a user myself, so highly recommend that you also check that out, and also check it out in a way on how he's built his tool and his program in terms of accommodating GoHighLevel user. So moving on to number 5, the last but not least is to position one or many of GoHighLevel feature and package it with your own existing service, such as done for you service for digital marketer or done with you service for coaching. And the possibility here is a lot, so make sure that you get creative with this. This is the method that we use for one of our SMMA business, where we actually highlight only one of GoHighLevel feature, which is the SMS nurturing, into our done for you high ticket package for real estate agent. Hey guys, quickly here, if you like this video and you're new to the channel, make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this video to another GoHighLevel expert. That would absolutely mean the world to us, because we put a lot of work and time into video like this. And if you completely new here to this whole SaaS business model, software as a service, we made a completely free course and checklist on how to get from a beginner on high level to an expert in a matter of 30 days and land your own 10 clients in the process of doing that. And this is the exact same course that we use to help hundreds of agencies across the globe to kick off and launch their software business, some of which have scaled past 6 and 7 figure per year. Now, if you're watching this and you're thinking of taking the leap forward into starting your very own software business, make sure that you use the referral link down below to get a 30-day extended trial, just because we are a partner with GoHighLevel, and on top of that you will get access to our support network, such as weekly call, Facebook groups, and one-on-one support. And as a bonus, you will get a completely done for you agency template or snapshot that we use to grow and scale our agency straight to your newly made account, so you can get a head start compared to the rest of the pack. Thank you so much for watching this. Let's get back to the video. And again, as you probably know by now, GoHighLevel have many features. You just have to pick one or two of them and really package it to increase the value of your offer, so you can charge people more for it. On top of that, those GoHighLevel feature can also act as a upsell, downsell, or cross-sell after you sell your high ticket done for you offer. So this is one of the methods that I recommend that you get creative with it and actually understand your marketplace, your audience, and your offer to actually get the maximum benefit from this method. So that's it guys, this is the 5 ways to generate income stream from GoHighLevel to your agency as a platform. And like I said, I'm going to be leaving a relevant link to all of these 5 methods in the description, so actually make sure that you check that out. And again, share this video to another GoHighLevel expert. And also don't forget to leave the comment which of these 5 that you found helpful and which of them you're planning to implement into your agency within the next 90 days or so. Again, see you on the next one. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.